Here's a review of the storm line that moved through the Springfield and Greene County area and, of course, southwest Missouri in the early morning hours of June 28th. This is the radar image as it looked just around 15 after midnight. And we had some thunderstorm wind gusts reported around the Fort Scott and north of Pittsburgh area that were getting up close to 70 miles per hour. Now, this line continued to move and expand and at a pretty good clip, pretty predictable. Towards Springfield, we had a few reports of wind damage as start getting into Greene County. So right here we had a 50 and also a 60, 54 mile per hour wind gust there actually, and a 60 estimated mile per hour wind gust in Republic. This happening at about 1:45. Zoom in on that, and you can even see the little outflow boundary and cool air gust that came out of this thing. And then we'll advance this here now. We're looking at about 2 o'clock in the morning. Again, a whole cluster of wind, mostly reports, including a 60 mile per hour estimated gust in several locations in Greene County near Sunset and Kansas Expressway there. And I believe we had a Weather Service employee, yes, tree snapped in Yarra. I think there was an estimated 70 mile per hour wind gust in there somewhere. There it is, 1 mile northwest of Republic. That was reported at about 2 a.m. And then the storm line continued through the area here, and its main calling card continues to be wind gusts. There's another wind gust at Fremont Hills by a train spotter between about 60 and 70 miles per hour. And I'm recording this at about 225 to 228, somewhere in that range. And the storm line continues to move on through. So the worst of it's actually over in Greene County, but if you live in portions of eastern Christian County, in Webster, and increasingly in Wright County now, Douglas, Ozark, Branson, you'll see a little wind gust come in from the north here very soon, but you may not get the direct blow of the thunderstorm, but you will see a rather interesting wind shift, and if anything's outside not tied down, it may blow around a little bit more. There's a severe thunderstorm watch out ahead of this into northern Arkansas until the wee hours of the morning. Keep an eye on it later tonight, but the main wind gust is over for Springfield after producing small hail and almost 70 mile per hour winds.